a good day to all of you. So now we are going to have a new tutorial about how to create a playlist on your upload videos in your channel using your mobile phone. Okay, so this is very basic and simple, guys. So you don't need to go to the Chrome, or you don't need a laptop by creating your playlist. So you just do it in your YouTube channel using your mobile phone directly. Okay, all right. So but before we proceed to our main topic for today, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click subscribe and Blog TV and click notification bell all, so that you will be notified for all my updates and my future updates and uploads. Okay, all right. So now let's go to our main topic for today, which is how to create a new playlist, or how to create a playlist on your upload videos on your channel. So let's proceed. So now we are in the home page of the YouTube. So first, just click your profile and then click your channel. As you can see, I'm here in the home page of my channel. So then, as you can see, I have a lot of playlists, guys, because my videos is more than 600 plus. So what I'm going to do is I create a new playlist. So click videos. Here right side is manage videos. So as you can see, I have 2 premieres. So since I create a new playlist, so click on the right side, we have 3 dots under beside the videos. So click the 3 dots and then have 4 options, guys. Save to watch later, save to playlist, edit, and share. So as you can see, have 4 options. So I choose, since I create a new playlist, so I choose save playlist. Okay, so as you can see here, my all playlist is shown below. So have watch later, tutorials, live stream, cooking tutorials, etc., and so on and so forth. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, as you can see on the right side, have positive new playlist, which is highlighted by blue. So click here and then put a title of your playlist. So I'm going to put my collections. Okay, my collections. So now I already, then below below the new playlist, have option here, the privacy of your playlist. Click, have 3 options: private, unlisted, and public. So if you are going to set private of your playlist, so nobody can see it, only you can view. And then if you are set on the unlisted, so only the people, those who are customized, that can see your playlist. And then public is show or views by all in the YouTube. Okay, so I set in the public. Okay, so now it's already set by public, and I have already a new playlist name, my collections. And then here, click the create. Okay, so now let's check, see list. So okay, my new created playlist is already there, my collections, and then it's set by public, as you can see here, which is public. And then you can edit her, guys. So you can put a description of your new playlist. So I put here some short description. This is my reaction videos. Excuse me, my reactions video, no, my reaction videos based on my research. Okay, that's all. So okay, have already description, and it is public. So save, and the right side have save. So click it. So as you can see, have already description on my new created playlist. So have one already there. So now go to the home page. Click home and then check the playlist. So as you can see, I have already here under my new collections, which is I created new playlist. So as you can see, my one premiere video is already there, saved in my new collection. So okay, we go to add in another. So videos, just click videos. So I have here another one premiere, so I save it to my new created playlist. So just click save playlist, and then now my old playlist was shown here, so is shown here rather. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save in my collections, which is my new created playlist. So just check on the box under it. So as you can see the check highlighted under my collections playlist. So and then after click done, so it's already done. So now let's go to the home page of my channel, and then we check again the playlist. So as you can see, it's only one save there, so we need to refresh it, guys, so that we can see the two, if the two will save already in that created playlist. Okay, we are going to refresh. So click again the profile and then your channel, then click playlist. As you can see here under my new created playlist, my collection, so have already 2 videos saved. So if you click the playlist, okay, as you can see, my 2 premieres was already saved there in my new created playlist, which is my collections title. Okay, so that's all, guys. So very simple how to create playlist using your mobile phone. So very basic, but those who are new beginners of YouTube, so it is very helpful for you guys to on how to create your playlist, especially if you are going to do some watch to watch. You need to create a playlist of your videos. Okay, so you can put time, you can put how many hours, no, it's not time, hours rather. So you can set how many hours in your playlist. Example, my collection, so you can put there 10 hours. So for example, your videos, you can put videos there which is accumulated all the videos that you are going to put in my collections is 10 hours. Example, I will put 10 hours. So be sure that your all videos saved in the collections, my collections, is 10 hours. Okay, so that's all, guys. I hope you learned something from it, and very easy, guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting us always. And don't forget to click subscribe and Blog TV and hit notification bell all, so that you will be notified for my future updates and uploads. So thank you so much, guys, and have a great day. God bless everyone and stay safe. Okay, bye bye.